is the main entrance of the house. Here we have used Italian marble. This way we have the open kitchen, and here we have the puja room, which will be made in glass partition. Here we have the outside sitting with green grass, artificial grass, and wall cladding. Here we enter into the kitchen area. All the kitchen inside is made up of granite partitions. Then from the kitchen area we have this two doors, one which leads to the storeroom and one which leads to the washing area. Here we have used the total granite for wall cladding, and this is the cloth drying space, and here we have the granite shelves and everything. We have the provision for a platform up of 3-4 inches, which is for the washing machine to be placed. We have the inlet points and the electrical switchboard. To give the look, we have used this V-grooving in between. So once the finishing is done, it will be more better. Here we have a small shelf. Once we come out, here we have the storeroom. This storeroom is also made up of granite till the end, all the wall claddings and the granite shelves. So this 3.5 feet height from the base has been kept for any big items which we want to place. This is a work in progress site from Nub Design and Associates. Now this is the passage which leads to the drawing room. This is the first room. Here inside we have used 5 feet by 2.5 feet tiles, and here we have the storage. Inside to the back side of the wall, here we have used WPC board, which is in brown color, as you can see. It's a composite panel of plastic. And behind this room door, we have this washroom door. Washroom door, bathroom, bedroom doors, everything has been made in granite frames. A point to be noted here is the step which is there for the door is kept above the floor level of the tiles, so that the door doesn't get spoiled. This is the full length tiles. Here we have the WC which will come out. So as you can see, the door height will be at least half inch above from the bathroom flooring level. Now we shall go out. That's the main door which is still in progress. The granite frame. And this is the hall. Here we will get the TV unit, and here we will have the sofas. Now we have another 3 rooms here, to the left one and to the front side we have 2. So we'll just go to the first one. This is a northwest door for the room. So this is the wardrobe sideways. So we have given drawers below, and then we have taken a full length wardrobe. So this is the inside part of the wardrobe. Coming to the bathroom part of this room, again we have used the granite frames, as you can see. This is wall level POP punning done, which comes to the flush straight line. Here you can see the bathroom tiles being used 2 by 1. These tiles have been purchased from Celestine Boutique, a tile store from Srinagar Colony. We have the main wall for each bathroom separately. We do the full ceiling for each bathroom as well. We'll go to the next bedroom, which is the master bedroom. So first we have the bathroom here. As you can see here, we have used the tile on tile concept along with brass mirror pencils. Now we will get the total ceiling for the total bathroom. This video is made specifically to just understand the works done during the interior works. The finished product videos you might have seen, but this is a work in progress which helps you to identify the challenges during the process of time so that you can also rectify them. This is again the granite windows. As you can see, it is fully in granite, and this is POP punning done, which comes to the level. Then we get the groove there. Here again we have the wardrobes. loft, and here we have the sitting arrangements. Here we have the grooves done so that you have directly pull here. So you don't need any software, handles or anything. Now you can also see the central wardrobe. Now we shall go into the fourth bedroom, which is next to the master bedroom, which we have already done. This is the fourth bedroom. Here we have used wooden tiles. This room will attach one small dressing area as well as the open bathroom. This is the bathroom space. We will have a totally glass partitions here coming up, so that you will have the glass sliding door on this granite from the central part, which goes directly towards the wash basin. The left side part will be fixed. The right side shower area part will be fixed on the granite here below. So this will give a glass finish partition. Thank you for watching the video, and please let us know if you want to know more about any site challenges which we might practically help you out by giving our suggestions. Thank you.